guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. So this one is for February of 2022, and as usual we have two of this one. So look at how cute the bag is. Just, can we appreciate the aesthetic? This, like, I don't know if it's real leather, fake leather. It feels kind of fake to me, but look how cute the little charm is with the Ipsy logo on it. Just, it's adorable. I love it. I love it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. Okay, so, February 2022. Full hearts. Swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you. Whether it's snapping a glam selfie or cozying up with your fave rom-com, treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. Then, on the back, introducing Fenty's The Edit. It's official. Rihanna's iconic brand is coming to Ipsy with an iconic takeover box. Packed with her cult fave... okay, blah, blah, blah. That's Glam Bag X, which we've also got, but that'll be its own video, so alright. In here, we do have the info card, thank God. So, you know how much it pisses me off when we don't have that. So, first thing in, we have a brush. I actually didn't mean for that to go whoop out of it, but it kind of worked, so I mean, oh, like, look how pretty. I like that. Oh, that's cool looking. And I love the rose gold up here, like, can we just appreciate this? Kinda in love with it. These are definitely synthetic bristles. So this is the Hip Dot Contour Brush. Full size, obvi. It's 12 bucks. Feels like a wood handle if anybody is curious. Made with ultra soft, high quality bristles, this makeup brush will help you add details to your look with precision. Use it with your favorite powder, cream, and good job, self. And liquid. Where did I leave off? Where did it go? And liquid makeup products for a smooth, streak-free finish. P.S. It's vegan and cruelty-free, too. So, I was correct. Synthetic bristles. Tip, clean your brushes weekly with gentle soap and water, then lay them flat to dry. Again, common, basic knowledge. Anyway, I am happy about that. Will I use it for contouring? Who the fuck knows? But I'll use it for something, I'm sure. So, we'll just stick that up here for now. Next in... we have, God, it's kind of stuck. What is it? Woo! Okay, this looks full size too. Oh, it is! Cool. Retails for $8. Kokie Cosmetics Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner. Ooh! Play 2-in-1. Waterproof, smudge-proof. Up to 12 hours. Nice! Nice! I'm actually stoked about that. Ooh, it's got a shaker in it for the liquid end. Yes! That is what I'm talking about. That is so needed. Like, all liquid pen eyeliners should have that, just saying. So, calling all cat eye noobs, this liquid and gel eyeliner duo is here to help you create the perfect line, flick, and wing every single time. It's easy to use, and the ultra-saturated jet black pigments last for hours, too. Tip, use this liner with heavy pressure for thicker, bolder lines, and lighter pressure for fine lines. Again, no shit, that's how eyeliner works. But I'm still really, really excited about that, like, straight up. We'll be reviewing that shortly, because I am, like, I need to dig into that. Like, I need that in my life, like, right now. So next, I've never heard of this brand before. Nina Skincare, and it's the Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask. This is deluxe sample size, not full size, but the full size is 30 bucks. Ouch. So, this isn't your mother's clay mask. It's made with mineral-rich glacial clay from British Columbia, which is known for its anti-inflammatory, oil-reducing, and skin-firming properties. After use, your skin will feel softer and smoother, and even your pores will appear smaller too. Tip, use weekly as a full face mask or daily as spot treatment. Or do both! Knock yourself out. So that's kind of cool. Like the sound of that. You know, I love me a good clay mask. Okay, what is this? Ooh, okay, so this is from Naked Cosmetics. It's their peppermint lip scrub, and it's full-sized, 10 bucks. I'm surprised for the basic bag. Usually we don't get this many full-size things in one bag, so I'm actually shook, but I'm enjoying it. The perfect addition to your makeup routine, this lip scrub removes dead skin to soften and prep your lips for a flawless lipstick application. Packed with moisturizing oils, vitamin E, and a cooling, delicious peppermint flavor, you'll love it. Or you'll love the way that it gently exfoliates your lips and leaves them feeling hydrated. Tip: massage onto lips using your finger, then wipe off with a damp tissue. Or if you're me and you have one of those like lip scrub brushes, use that. Because I just am weird about using my finger. I don't know why. And my hands can be freshly washed. I could wash them 10 times in a row and I will still be weird about using my fingers if I have to. So, and then finally in this bag, I think I've gotten this before, but I really liked it, so I'm not mad about it, is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Curling Mascara. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $25. So go ahead and laugh until you cry in this water-resistant mascara. It literally won't budge. They're not joking. I like I said, I've had this one before. This one's actually real good. The Instant Curve Setting Formula conditions your lashes and stays put for 12 hours, while the unique hook and roll brush does it all. It grabs every little lash to separate, lift, and curl. Tip: gently wiggle the wand horizontally from the base of your lashes to the tip. Like, their tips are really not tips. They're like how you use product. Okay. Anyway. I'm not sure that I've actually reviewed this one, though, as much as I need to. So it's going over there as well. So, okay. That was, I think, all of bag number 1. So, bag number 2 is over here. I think, no, it's over here. That's the empty one. Okay. So bag number 2 has got, let's see here. Do we have the info card? We do not. Hate them for that. It's just a how to support Black entrepreneurs this month thing. So, I mean, common sense. We don't need to read that. So, anyway, we'll just go through what is in here then as best I can. So this is from Elizabeth Mott, and it's the Thank Me Later Hair Primer Leave-In Treatment. Ooh. It's a heat protectant. It smooths and polishes, deeply hydrates, and repairs damaged hair. Oh, okay. Okay. I can get on board with that. Wish I knew how much the full size costs. I'll have to Google it, but like that sounds like something I would like to buy the full size of. Ooh, we have something from Color Club. This is their nail lacquer in Darker Than My Heart. I love that name. Oh my god, that's awesome. I was so expecting it to be black. It's not. It's actually like a really deep plum. That's really pretty. Well, if I had actually opened this on time, I probably would have worn it in February. But right now, it's springtime, so I just did my nails last night all springy. Matches my shirt, too. But, yeah, this is not the time of year for this one, but I will keep it nearby for when it is. So, we've got that guy. So that's 1, 2, 3. Oh, there is a 5th one. I was like, did they rip me off of an item? No, there's 5 in here. Just one is an itty bitty, so... We've got the Eco Lips Hemp Cherry Lip Balm. Ooh. I'm actually not sure if this is something that I already have from Eco Lips or not. Like, I want to say I do, but I'm actually not sure. So, yeah, that. Either way, we'll definitely be reviewing it. I just may also have a second of it. I want to say I do have it, though. Just not sure. Anyway, so we've got that. Then, from Bobbi Brown, we've got the Smoky Eye Mascara. Mascara Regard Intense. In black. Is this the first time I've gotten Bobbi Brown from Ipsy? I think it might be, actually. I'm kind of shook by that. But, okay. And then finally, the little itty-bitty item that I thought I got ripped off of. It's wrapped in bubble wrap, so let me go ahead and open it. Oh, it's so cute. It says Peak on it. Peak, I will stay naturally long-wearing eyeshadow in Wednesday. It looks to be taped shut. Like, it's a little slider. Okay, I hope I don't wreck my polish doing this, but gotta get it open. Like, I don't know if it's like powder or cream or what. I've never heard of this brand either, but like it's, ooh, let's not tear that. Okay, okay. Plan B. Let's just snip that tape there. We'll just let it hang out, because it's trying to pull up the entire label. I was like, okay, we're not doing that. So, oh, come on, it was, okay. Ooh, okay, I accidentally smacked it with my finger, but look at that! That is really beautiful, and that is absolutely a color I adore anyway, and it's a shimmer. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm kind of shook. Like, I don't know how I feel about eyeshadow being in a slider like that. Because, like, half the time it doesn't want to open. The other half of the time it goes flying off of it. So I'm like, now it feels like it's stuck. So I'm like, don't know how I feel about that packaging. But it may grow on me. It might. But, yeah, I'm like, okay. But yeah, it's real pretty, so I can't wait to try it. Maybe I'll try it out today. We'll see how the day goes. But, might need to use some Gooby Gone where the tape was. But anyway, I don't know if that's a sample size or if that's the size this is. I mean, that's like a good amount of shadow. I wouldn't be surprised if this is full-sized. Let me try to Gooby Gone it off with my spit, because I'm the only one using this. It really doesn't matter to me. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm not doing anyone else's makeup out of my makeup, so... Actually, that worked pretty well. There's like a little dot left. Life hacks with Jen. Actually, probably you don't want to actually do it this way. You probably want to use something better, but because I'm impatient, I want that goo off of there now. Yeah, look how much nicer that already looks. Done. Okay, so... What the hell? We'll stick it over here to be reviewed too, so... That is what I got in my February Ipsy Glam bag, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.